Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. And please be support me like this forever. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video we are providing you most amazing and very trending designs of handmade cultural designs of handmade crochet beautiful earrings. These are very classy and very elegant designs, so viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection and aesthetic looks. So you will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and very trending designs of handmade crochet earrings. So I really hope that they will love this beautiful and outstanding collection. You know viewers, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and aesthetic designs of handmade crochet earrings. These are very beautiful and cool collection. So don't skip the video and pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful article for yourself for more beautiful and outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing, very aesthetic collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. Now viewer, I am share with you some benefits of amazing crochet designs. So these are the benefits including: crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines involves using a hook and yarn for creativity. These are very amazing collection and please be support me like you all support me forever and always. I can't upload some videos about some reasons, so now I so please be support me like you always support me. And thank you so much for watching my all the previous videos and watching my this video. I hope this video is very helpful for all the crochet lovers and for all the handmade handicraft lovers. You can see viewers, these are amazing collection and outstanding designs. Some people like dark colors, some people like light colors and simple and elegant jewelry. Apply on your ears, and all type of jewelry available, all type of earrings available in this video. You can see all designs, color combination are very amazing and easy to make. Must make this beautiful article at your homes, for your friends, for your loved ones. So viewer, now I'm share with you some benefits. These are the benefits: unique and personalized decor, crochet lamps and crochet other items. Viewer, it's a unique and handmade. Each pair is handmade, making them one of kind accessory. Customizable, choose your yarn, color, pattern and shape to make and match your style and preference. Textured inserts and interest. Choose adds tactile element to your jewelry, creating visual interest and practical benefits. It's a lightweight and crochet earrings are often lightweight, making them comfortable to wear. Um, Hypoallergenic Crochet earring can be hypoallergenic, reducing risk of skin irritations. Easy to clean crochet earrings can be easy cleaned and with soap and water. Emotional benefits, personal experience. Crochet earrings allow you to express your personality and style. Confidence booster. Wearing unique handmade earrings can boost your confidence and self esteem. Sentimental value. Crochet earrings can be made with love and care, making them a meaningful and sentimental accessory. Environmental benefits. And viewer, if you all love these articles, so like, share, and must subscribe my video. Bye bye.